developers to launch new DeFi and smart contract solution for Bitcoin. The dream of decentralized finance on the Bitcoin blockchain has eluded developers for almost as long as the dominant blockchain has existed. However, a key component of DeFi, smart contracts, is not native to the Bitcoin blockchain. A group of developers intends to launch the OP_net test network on Wednesday, which they say will bring programmable functionality to Bitcoin. OP_net leverages the TapScript component of the Bitcoin Taproot upgrade, which also enabled ordinals and runes. According to OP_net co-founder Chad Master, a pseudonym, the goal is to create a permissionless meta-protocol system that allows anyone to deploy decentralized applications and smart contracts on the Bitcoin network. "We really want to see DeFi on Bitcoin in full force," Chad Master told Decrypt in a preview of the launch. "People want to be able to use Bitcoin without compromises and without having to move it to another blockchain with less security and decentralization," continued the co-founder. "With open source and no restrictions, as close to BTC as possible, we are implementing this solution with the introduction of OP_net. As Chad Master explained, OP_net uses WebAssembly, which means smart contracts can be written in several languages, including AssemblyScript/TypeScript, Rust, Python, C++, and others. According to the OP_net Lite document, only Bitcoin is required to pay the transaction fee, not sidechain tokens. OP_net transactions sent to the Bitcoin network are marked in an arbitrary data field with the string BSI, indicating that the OP_net transaction is initiated. These transactions are sent to unused Bitcoin addresses that have been converted to contract addresses. These transactions are then processed on the OP_net virtual machine, and contracts are updated as needed. This virtual machine, explained Chad Master, functions similarly to the Ethereum virtual machine. "Essentially, it's a Bitcoin virtual machine," he said. While this term has been used in Layer 2 solutions, this is a real implementation of this concept. Chad Master said that work on OP_net began in February and evolved from work on the Bitcoin-based decentralized exchange MotoSwap. Ultimately, he, along with co-founder Danny Plainview and lead developer Anna Kuhn, shifted their focus to OP_net, and MotoSwap became one of the first applications launched. "You need several different key elements for the DeFi ecosystem, including a lending protocol or a stablecoin, so we also have to create these things," he said. Chad Master, however, acknowledged that an unfortunate side effect of unrestricted and decentralized finance is fraud and financial pyramids. "We don't want to be responsible for their launch, but we need to have an environment where these things can be launched," he said. OP_net also supports fungible and non-fungible tokens, designated OP_20 for fungible tokens and OP_721 for non-fungible tokens. According to Chad Master, the labeling is intended to make the two token standards compatible with Ethereum's ERC20 and ERC721 standards. "Access to the huge amount of stagnant liquidity in Bitcoin is a great opportunity," Chad Master opined, adding that it provides Bitcoin holders with a way to earn income from their assets and use them all on the Bitcoin blockchain. He said that those who are not optimistic about this concept are simply not paying attention, emphasizing that decentralized finance should live on Bitcoin. The main goal of OP_net is to provide the expressiveness and creativity in application development that exists on more programmable blockchains like Ethereum on Bitcoin, said Chad Master. "Bitcoiners need applications that benefit all BTC holders, not just those who want to speculate on NFTs.